Hey guys, Neil here with Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers. Just finished putting the seat covers on the 2019 Polaris Ranger XP1000. They look sweet inside here. It's a sweet rig. I love this thing. And fun driving it and fun seeing the seat covers inside here now. So flame Croc insert right here with a black ostrich trim. Just looks snazzy inside here. Okay, again, this is the 2019 Polaris Ranger XP1000. Just a great looking set. As you can see, the exterior red and black here. A nice looking rig, and just finished installing the seat covers here. This is the flame Croc insert with the black ostrich trim. So this is a simulated leather material. As you can see, it's going to look and feel a lot like a leather would, but actually going to be easier to treat, easier to clean. You're not going to have to use treatment on this simulated leather here. So do a backup view there. So again, the red Croc, we called the flame Croc insert, and black ostrich trim side to it. And then there's the back seats right there, as you can see as well. So this front seat on this Ranger is the 40 side, so it's a split bench front seat. So there's the split in it there. So 40-60 front seat. And then we'll show you the back seat in a second. But before we go back there, got to show you the pockets. So this is the driver's side pistol pocket. That's designed for the pistol to go right in the middle, and then 2 magazine slots on the sides as well. And that pocket can be removed. That whole pocket can be taken off. And then on the passenger side, over here, we have a MOLLE pocket. So check out our other videos on the MOLLE pocket, but that's a great pocket for storage items, and then it has MOLLE webbing on the outside of it. Gonna check out the rear seats now. So matching rear seats, as you can see here, the red Croc insert, so that flame Croc insert with the black ostrich trim. Just a great looking set. On these rear seats, these have headrests, and that's included there as far as this set with rear headrest covers. So the rear headrests are going to be, and whatever headrest you have, whatever trim material you have, that's going to be what your headrests are made out of. So that's the black ostrich there. So as you can see, everything fits on nice and tight. It looks good there. Got all the seat sections covered, which is a very unique look to it, where oftentimes you can't find a look like this. You get something basic thrown over, and but not now. This is an exotic, nice looking set on this Ranger. Going to open up the front seats again here. Now, these install with straps and buckles that go. Let's see. I'll pop up this driver bottom here. Okay. So as you can see underneath here, the straps right here go to these buckles, and they go up there and then cinch down. So you cinch those down nice there, it's nice and snug. And then there's also a drawstring that goes around the outside right there that keeps those corners in. Okay, so not a terrible install. You get these ordered, put them on yourself, and pull over your seats. Now, biggest thing is it's going to protect that original Polaris vinyl that you're sitting on. If you don't protect that vinyl can crack out. But this is the way to do it in style. You know, really get a good looking set. And again, this set's with the black ostrich trim, flame Croc insert. Just a very cool looking set on here. Just a quick update. We were just finishing this install here with Casey, and Casey brought up a good point that on another video that I have about a Polaris Ranger, I'd mentioned that the bottom strap, bottom buckle underneath here, underneath the seat, prevented it from being able to slide forward and back, and that's actually been fixed now. So it comes with a longer strap that's on the buckle to the other strap, so they meet in the middle, and so they're not obstructing the seat from being able to clip down and really sit down. It locks down now, and then also you're now able to move that seat forward and back without anything catching on there. So again, that's an update from the last Polaris Ranger video that I did. Okay, so this is what I mean by the straps have been fixed now. So as you can see, there's a longer strap on the back side, and then here's the front strap coming up there, and they meet towards the middle, and that avoids it. That gets it out of the way from the structures down here below, and then it is able to seat down so much better now that you have those two coming up to them towards the middle right there. So as you can see, that's how those two work right there. So that's that longer strap right there. Before it was kind of a shorter strap, and it prevented the seat from being able to sit down, and now it clips in a lot better with that new install update on that right there. Now, if you have questions about custom seat covers for your side-by-side, you can see more at coversandcamo.com, or give us a call if you would like some recommendations. Phone number is 435-789-2270. Thanks so much for watching. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers. Thanks again. Sayonara.